Have you ever experienced your indoor air conditioning unit that after running a few minutes, it starts to leak water? Again
and again and again.
In this video, I'm going to explain why this happens and show you 2 quick solutions to get back your flooring nice and dry. And we're starting right now. There are 2 common causes why your AC unit begins to form and drip water. The first reason is that hot air being sucked from the room cannot flow freely inside the indoor unit and mixes with the cold air coming in. This triggers a lot of condensation in the wrong places that ultimately produces water that drips all the way down to your flooring. And the number 1 reason why hot air is trapped is that you have very dirty air filters. It is the filter's job to capture dust, particles, and any other impurities from the air in the room so that the AC unit can blow back clean and cold air. The first solution is to simply take out the air filters and clean them with soap and water. Filters are easily removed either by sliding them out or snapping them off. If you're not sure how to remove your filters, refer to the maintenance section of your AC's user manual. It is good practice to visually check your filters once a month if they need cleaning. However, in this scenario, I found the filters squeaky clean, so there's something else causing water to leak inside this unit. And solution number 2 requires us to go outside and locate the unit's water drain pipe or hose. By the way, solution 1 and 2 apply to any air conditioning type. May your unit be a split type like this or a window type unit. Over time, the drain pipe or hose can accumulate dirt and grow big enough to block water from flowing freely out. If you still see water coming out the drain, there's a chance that condensation is happening faster than the AC's ability to drain water out. That water ends up being collected inside and has nowhere else to go but to any and all the openings of your indoor unit. So for solution 2, we're gonna need a common household appliance. This is Big Betty, our vacuum cleaner, and she's gonna help me out. A wet and dry vacuum cleaner would be perfect, but if you only have a dry vacuum cleaner, you can still use it, but do let its dirt collection bag dry out under the sun after use, or replace if you have a replaceable bag. With the vacuum cleaner turned on, cover a good amount of drain pipe or hose. If there is space between the vacuum hose and the drain hose, wrap your hands around the overlap to create a stronger vacuum. If that is still not enough, wrap a damp cloth or even a plastic bag around the overlap and hold it in place with your hands. The goal here is to create a perfect and strong vacuum that will dislodge anything blocking or clogging the drain hose. Sometimes you'll feel a jerk in the hose like something big just went through. This is a good sign. Okay, our work here is done. Let's go back inside to check if the issue has been resolved. Let's turn the AC back on, and of course, we also need to wipe the indoor unit dry and mop the floor too. This will make it easier for you to observe if the drip is still happening or not. And it looks like the problem is finally resolved. I don't see dripping anymore, nor any water forming around the body of the indoor unit. This is HanDIYman 007. Thanks for watching, and you can do this.